They're playing. Stella's happy. You stay where you are, Jonas. You don't need to shoot him with your clothes hanger. Hey, stop shooting him with your clothes hanger.
Mom,
You think Stella likes her?
yeah.
Yeah.
Hold them, please. I want to take a picture of them. I'm here.
What?
You take this. Right here, take this.
You have
I
it.
want to take a picture.
Well, I'm videotaping. What do you want a picture of?
Her.
Leah?
Yeah. But I can't.
I think they're playing King of the Couch.
What?
King of the Couch. Or Queen of the Couch.
Gee! I can't get her. I can't get a picture of Leah. I can't.
Yeah, they're moving around too much, aren't they?
Yeah, now I
I can't even focus on them.
I got her! Mommy, I got her! I got her, Mommy!
Okay, good. Stella the acrobat.
That was the tape. They're acting funny.
Mm-hmm.
Haha. I'm helping her, Mommy. I'm the winner.
Okay, silly Dilly. Settle down. Who do you think has more energy? Who's going to wear out quicker? Who do you think, Jonas?
Her.
Who? Leah?
Yeah.
You think Leah's going to wear out before Stella?
Yeah.
Well, she is a little overweight.
To the rescue.
Okay. Stay out of the way, Jonas.
No.
Leave them alone. Let them play.